Hello everyone, and welcome to my video series about forex trading. I decided to create this series of videos because I wanted to explore the myths about trading, especially for anybody that's new into the trading game. I've titled this slide Uncovering the Myths about Forex Trading. The first question I put on the top there is it possible to make a living trading currencies, or forex as it's otherwise known? The simple answer is yes. But what do I need to do that? Number one, you need a very good trading strategy that works in any condition. If it's not one, maybe you've got two or three up your sleeve. Second thing is, you actually do need a good coach or mentor. Imagine trying to learn tennis and not having a coach. So you might learn, you might be okay, but you'll probably make a lot of mistakes, and you won't even be aware of the mistakes you're making. So you will probably struggle. Another thing you need is money, of course. Without any cash reserves, trading is impossible. Typically, a really good trader would make about 5% a month, and that's the genuine results, regardless of what all these forex spruikers will say on their marketing videos. 5% a month is a brilliant strategy, and it works. And if you can achieve that, you're doing fabulously well. But we'll get on to those spruikers a bit later on. And the other one is a good business model, something that actually nobody talks about. And again, that is something I will talk about in the future. You know, if anybody is genuinely serious about becoming a professional forex trader. Okay, first step, how to find a sound trading strategy. Sounds easy, but it is not. Let me read you this. I'll pull this up. This is one of the more famous forex brokers. He just changes, his strategy seems to change every 6 months to every year. For some reason, he creates some amazing new strategy every year. I'll read you his headline. Master Trader reveals for the first time ever his secret weapon trading system that could have you profitable in hours, even if you have never traded a day in your life. Well, guess what, guys and girls? That is absolute total garbage. But they just play on your emotion. You know, they use secret weapon. Have you trade profitable in hours? And he's a master trader. If he was a master trader, he would be working for a large hedge fund on hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, not trying to sell some $99 system. So basically, guys, that's you. You're the goldfish, and there's a lot of sharks out there waiting to eat you. So basically, with regards to trading systems, there's fully automated ones. They're called EAs, or expert advisors. Do they work? No. There's lots of trading courses out there. Actually, one little trick I know personally from somebody who sells trading courses, his strategy was charge a lot of money and make people believe that it is good. And that's the only reason they charge a lot of money, because people just believe if they charge a lot, it must be good. Mind you, apparently that strategy works very well too. Other thing you can do is try and work it out by yourself, but I'm afraid you'll probably blow your entire account numerous times over. And actually, the best way to do it is find a genuine, real coach or mentor, because these people are real. I've been lucky to actually have one myself, and he has taught me a lot. So that's the way to go. Okay, now I'll quickly just run through some of these different trading systems in a little bit more detail. First one I brought up was, they're called expert advisors, or EAs, otherwise known as EAs. What are these things? They're basically little pieces of software you can put on your trading chart, and they automatically trade your account. Do they generally work? No. I've tried quite a few, and they've all lost money. The reason being why they lose money is basically they're generally quite ill-conceived. They're based on previous trading results, what happened last year. And with forex trading, the market is changing all the time. You cannot predict, you cannot create some software that worked in the past and expect it to work in the future, because the market changes all the time. In reality, I mean, you can give them a try, but expect to lose money. Don't expect to make any money at all. Another thing that they do, I mean, what often a lot of them will do is they'll go for 5 pips with a 60 pip stop loss. So you have to be accurate maybe 20 times in a row to make money. And if you lose once, there goes everything that you've made for the last 20 trades. So, as I said, give them a try, find out for yourself. I have, and I've lost money each and every time. Okay, now for the $1 million question, finding a reliable trading strategy. There are literally hundreds of strategies out there. How do you know if the system works? You basically don't. I mean, when the claims are bordering on ridiculous, that's when you know the system doesn't work, because they're just trying to play with your emotions. I think I was reading one the other day where he was talking about making 2% a day. Now, how much is 2% a day when you start doing that? What's that? 10% a week. So basically he's talking about he makes 500% a year. Does he really? No, because he only makes his money by selling courses and selling systems that he just changes every year. So when you start hearing claims of 2% a day making fabulous wealth, you will know for a fact this system does not work, because these people are just hit and run merchants. They come in with a system full of keywords, get a lot of people to sign up in a hurry before bad reviews start getting out there, and then disappear and then create another one. So basically, really, when you're trying to find a reliable trading strategy, you need to see the results. Are the results actually current? Are they being updated all the time? Not on backtesting, on real accounts. That's what you're looking for. So, and also, is the trader accessible? Is the trader real? Are they genuine? Or are they just, you cannot ever get hold of them? Just some things to think about. Now, I just actually finished reading a book. It was called The Power of Focus by a man that goes by the name of Jack Canfield. It's actually co-written by 3 people, Jack Canfield, Mark Victor Hansen and Les Hewitt. And in that book, The Power of Focus, they actually talk about the importance of finding a coach or a mentor. And I agree. It is absolutely the best way to go. Someone who's real, someone who can take you step by step into trading and actually allow you to become successful. Because I said, I put the points here. It's, if you want to try and play tennis, try and learn online, without a coach, you won't get very far. Every successful tennis player has a coach. So, and again, when you've got a coach, then you've got to commit. If you can commit, that's when your results start happening. Well, it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this slide presentation, and there'll be more to come. My name's Tony Camilleri, and I hope to see you again shortly.